Hi, this is Madam Pamita, and I hope you enjoy this clip from my Live Magic Q&A. If you'd like to see the full recording of the Live Magic Q&A, you can do so. All you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link below or go to patreon.com/Madam Pamita. I hope you become a part of my coven and enjoy this clip. Michelle says, Madam Pamita, I have been advised to start working with Hekate as a goddess or spirit guide. What advice can you give for how or where to start? Well, there's some great books, actually. I think Courtney Weber wrote a book about Hekate, and you might want to check that out. Were you advised by a person who advised you, or was it a spirit who advised you? Um, she's dark goddess energy. Oh, you know what? I got a great book for you, and it just came out, Michelle. It works with all dark goddesses. It's a complete year-long course of working with any of the dark goddesses. It's called Year of the Dark Goddess. I read an advanced copy of this, and it was like so good. It is so good. But now it's out. It's out now. I think it's out now, or you can order it now because I just got this about maybe 3 weeks ago or a month ago, so that it should be available everywhere. We don't have it at the shop, but you can get it all the usual places. So this is The Year of the Dark Goddess by Laura Vesta. She's an amazing woman. I love her immensely and respect her immensely. She wrote a book called Soul Lives, Living Soul Runes. Living Soul Runes. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, it's a beautiful book about working with the runes in very magical ways. And this one is about working with dark goddess energy, which Hekate is dark goddess energy. Baba Yaga is dark goddess energy. There's lots of dark goddesses. Kali is another dark goddess energy. It's not dark goddess like a negative spirit. It's a spirit that helps you when you're going through tough stuff. So if you are going through some hard times, or you're preparing because there's hard times ahead, that, we all face, you don't have to be in, difficulties, but it really resonates when you are in difficult times. When I was dealing with my son's cancer and going to treatments with him and doing all the things with him, it was hard. It was hard. It was super hard. And he's well now, everybody. I think I've said it many times, but he's fine. He's cancer free. Awesome. Everything is good. But when you're in that tough stuff and you need to feel that support, the dark goddesses are there. So this would be a fantastic book to do that. And it's exercises. It's like things, if you are like me and like to do things, not just read a book, but actually do something with the book, this is the book for you. If you want to just learn more about Hekate, then Courtney Weber's book is a great one.